Supra?
Oh, we got the Supra in the back!
Dude, is this a Supra?
Wow!
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today. Today we're working on this beautiful 2024 Jeep Sahara. We are doing an oil change, the oil filter. I thought I was going to use the jack, but even for a big person like me, you can manage getting under there and getting the job done. This is the oil that we're using today, guys, 5W30. We do have that 2.0 turbocharged. Then here we have the filter. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's get under here. Alright guys, so I do have my catch can right there. This bolt right here, it is a 30. It is a 13 mil. Alright. So there's barely enough room for me to fit. I am fairly comfortable, but I cannot torque that down. Alright guys, so instead of forcing this down, what I'm doing is I'm gonna be smart about it. All you gotta do is bang it a little bit, and it's free. Don't gotta stress it. Don't gotta stress it. Alright, so now that we got this bolt loose, we're going on to the filter. Now this right here, in a little bit I will be taking it off as soon as I get this loose. Now this right here is a challenging part. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. No way. Why is it so loose? No way, guys. No way it was that loose. My wife has been taking it to the dealership because it still was under warranty and it had oil changes included with it. Look how black that is. Okay, guys. So to me personally, this being here and not all the way down there, I think that's disrespectful. Mechanics out there, technicians, whatever you call yourselves. Oh shit, that's hot. You guys need to work for your money's worth. Some people at dealerships don't even care. Probably ain't even doing things right. They just did it for another payday. Take your time, learn about this easy stuff that you can do at home, and there's a better chance that your car will have a much longer life. I mean, this right here, that's a big red ass flag. I would never take my car to wherever this car dealer give us service at. And I will be asking my wife so I can at least mention the location of the job that has been done, because this is just horrible. A loose ass filter like that is the worst thing for an engine. That's just a big no. Big ass no. Come on now. Fuck out of there. It's time for you to go. Fucking bitch. Yeah. I guess I talked too much shit, didn't I? Fuck it though. We dirty, but we saving the money. Alright guys, so we in the good. We broke. Got my own filter right here. Let's get working. Alright guys, so this is the final step. Get in here. Show my camera, bro. My camera's so blurry. Oil. I bet it is. Alright, so we get in here. Double tap. Now we're supposed to look for, where's the oil? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but this part had me stressing. Just take your time, you'll find it. Alright guys, so what we did was we double tapped the power button, start. Now in your settings, you gotta scroll through it until you find this. Now it says hold OK to reset. Now we back at 100. Back at 100. That fast. It's just like that. Alright guys. So now we turn this off. Now let's clean up. And then we can start the car. Alright guys, there you have it. Complete video. No drips anywhere. Everything is looking clean. Everything sounds good. You got it. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in with me today. I really appreciate the love. Please like and subscribe. There is more 240SX content coming soon.